So here's a conundrum. Had a little calf out this morning, and so I opened the gates to try to get it in. Of course, it runs all the way down the road. About 3 cows get out, and so I got to chase all them back in. But meanwhile, Mama wants to come over and start eating grass in the neighbor's field. She doesn't want to go back in. So here's the conundrum. Do I open the gates and let a few more cows out and have to round them up, or go after this one with the gate shut and then she runs past the gate? So always something like this going on. And here she is running with her calf. Are you wanting to go back in now? Hey, don't you run over there. They like to play this game a bunch with me. Just because the calf was out. Now the mama's gonna run, follow her calf. Don't go over there. You're not gonna get back in. Just what I like, chasing cows first thing in the morning. It's foggy as can be. Stop!
Or I'll say stop again.
No, she's gonna be difficult. Go the opposite direction of the gate. Go on back that way. Go on. Go on. Okay, here we go. That's off to the races. I left my 22 up here, so I figured I was gonna have to dispatch of a raccoon this morning if it got in one of my traps. Now this cow's being a pain in the butt. She and her little baby are getting all their exercise they want because they're free. And they're rutting up my whole yard. See, when you got one like this girl sitting there looking at everything, she would run out of the fence if she had the chance. I'm gonna go lock this gate up. Maybe I can get her in another gate. She doesn't decide to play catch all day with me. Whew, sure do get your exercise chasing cows, I'll tell you. See how many miles I walked this morning chasing down this critter. Oh, mercy. What I do for cows. Thought this would be an easy morning. Just go out, feed the cows, do my chores, feed the chickens. No. Oh, well. We'll see what happens if my battery doesn't run out in my camera. She's liking all this green grass she's getting because that field is mowed down. Ah, there she goes. Good Lord, Mama, you're gonna run me to death. Look at her running. Please stay there. Don't you take off. You want to join back up with others? I see you, Mama. Come on, I'll open the gate. Please don't make her run for it. The problem is, if the little baby makes a run for it, she'll run after the baby. It's okay. You're all right. I'm just gonna open the gate here. Come here. You wanna go back in? Come on, dearie. Let's go in. Come on, go back in there. You follow Mama. Thank God. She knows where her home is. Go get eat some hay. Oy vey. Life on the farm ain't kind of laid back. Ain't much an old country boy like me got a hack.
Well, I appreciate that. I think it's kind of going out on a limb for you to do that.
Ay, ay, ay. Well, let's see what's going on down the chicken coop today. All the ducks I used to have, the pond froze up. Coyotes ate every duck and every goose we had. We've had them here for years. We couldn't get them rounded up because we couldn't get out on the thin ice, except one goose that flew away. But I set some dog-proof traps down here around the chicken coop. Here's a chicken that slept on top of the coop last night. Let me go let the chickens out. Check those other traps. I hear you in there, girls. We put all this tarping around the coop here to keep it a little warmer. All right, come on, kids. School's out, school's out. Come on. Farmer, let the chickens out. Gotta go check these traps out real quick. I didn't bring any food, girls. I'm sorry. Weren't any scraps left. Nothing in that trap. Here's the cage trap here. Gotta shut the door on it. Here's this other trap. Nothing messed with it. I'll just put that over it so the chickens don't stick their necks in there and get caught. But anyway, that's the excitement happening down on the farm today.